Haris Hamza from Apex Sports. You and Peter Siddle both are top cricketer at the moment. How exciting is it for Melbourne Stars?
Look, we are not looking forward to the individual performances. So we will just think how can we win the tournament as a team. It's not an individual performances at here in the team. So we are looking forward to how can we win the tournament. That's important, I think so.
In T20 cricket, a lot of people, a lot of cricket fans, they are just talking about 10, 15 runs. How difficult is it to save 10 to 15 runs in last overs?
Look, there is a public opinions, but as a player, you can trust your skills. So always back my skills. So it's not a. Sometimes you can save the run, sometimes you can't. But as a player, you trust yourself, you believe yourself. So it's opportunity for you, and you can learn from a lot of things.
Your mate Zaman Khan is also here.
Yeah.
You want to say something about Zaman?
Yeah, he is a very talented guy, and very happy to they are here. He is here, and I hope he perform well for the team. Yeah, I'm excited. Obviously, I'm playing a lot of time against him, so it's a great fun, I think so. And people they are coming and watching to the Babar and me, especially in MCG. So it's excited.
You have to get it out.
Of course, why not?
Also, with the way you've been playing so far in the Big Bash, we have the T20 World Cup very soon. So, do you think that this is a good preparation for the 2020 World Cup?
Yeah, obviously, especially you playing in Australia, you can see that there is a local talent is very. There is a very good competitive cricket. So when you're playing at here, so it's a lot of time to you learn here. So obviously they can help us in World Cup as well.
And you've been playing for the Stars for so long. There are a lot of fans for you over here. So can we say that outside Pakistan now, this is your second home?
Yeah, you can say that is my second home. Obviously, I grew up as a cricketer in Australia, especially the Melbourne Star, the first team. They give me opportunity at here, so obviously I feel like I'm in my home, and like they are also treat me like as a family. So I always love to play here for the Melbourne Star.
What sort of a game is it tomorrow night in Paris? I mean, you've lost two in a row now. How important is a win tomorrow night here at the MCG?
Yeah, it's a tough to lose, but as a team we are playing so well in this tournament. So we will sit together and find out where we did wrong. So obviously the next four games for us is very crucial, and we will try to win the games.
So it's crucial there. How important is it to get back on the winners board and get back on track? I mean, people were saying you're going to be up there at the end of the season. I mean, how important is it to get back on track and realise that?
So we will trust together as obviously, and we believe our team. So it's I think so when you believe on your skills, so it's easier for you when you're playing in the game.
Yeah, and in Melbourne Stars, Maxwell and Stoinis have been playing with you for a long time. So, and the way we see, they're very nice people. So, how is your experience to play with Stoinis and Maxwell?
Yeah, they are both are world-class player, and always to learn from them. And I always speak to both of them, and they have a very good experience, especially in T20 cricket. So for me, it's very easy and talk to both of these guys.
How did you find the crowd the other night?
Oh, it's amazing, bro, and I love to play here always when the crowd, all the stadiums are packed, and especially the 70,000 people are here and they're cheering for us. So very happy. Sorry. Yeah, inshallah, he will perform for our team, and he is our main player, and so everybody's see to Maxwell perform here, especially the MCG, and all the people are coming and cheering for the Maxwell. So very happy to see them.
Still going. Still going.
Look, we will think about how can we finish that game. So last two games we finished not well. So we will try to finish well in the next game. So I think so much better for us.
Harish, for tomorrow game, we can see Babar is your next target after Muhammad Isman.
It's not target mine, but if I get him out, I'm happy.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.